Hi, my name is Ali. I'm founder and team coordinator of Young Innovators Network that enables our students to make them independent, smarter, and productive learner. Today, I'm going to share information about computer coding and programming workshop. Computer coding is a very essential part of our education system now, as computers are essential part of our life, and they will be in future as well. As a result, every student needs to learn how they work. Every computer program and mobile app is developed with a computer code. By learning computer coding, students not only understand how they work but also enable young children to think logically, and it increase their problem solving skill and enhance their English and maths too, because it when you code you need to write something, and also it involves to calculate few things as well. So I'm gonna share some of the key features of computer coding at Young Innovators. Basically, our environment is very collaborative, and the program is designed by Google, and it is used by millions of educational institutions across the globe. It is very flexible for different age groups as well as their learning style as well. It's a fully resource based. It means it doesn't stop learner to keep going even they are not in the class or after they finish the course. And at the same time, if you get some people or students who are very fast learner, the program has the capability to engage them in the class with the bonus activities that challenge their advanced learning skills. So this is basically about our workshop. If you need more information, you can visit our website younginnovators.net.au/workshops. All these details are in the description as well. You can contact us via phone, or you can also contact us via social media, or you can email